Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to dollar cost average your crypto, and for this video we're going to use Binance. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. So now on Binance, all you have to do is to set up your wallet with any amount, either with your local currency or with USDT, which is usually the most stable and the best one to use for these recurring amounts. So all you have to do is click on the add funds, and then from here you can either deposit in your normal cash, or you can use on-chain deposit and then select from any of these currencies. I would much prefer USDT or USDC as a starter. Once that is done, all you have to do is to click on the button that says trade on the bottom, and then from here you can give in three options, and so you're going to click on the recurring, which is going to be the second one. Now in the recurring, as you can see, we have two options: from, which is going to be the source, so either USDT, USDC, or any other crypto. And so from here we're going to select it. We're going to choose the amount that we would like to put, so for example 10 cents. And so we would like to invest into either Bitcoin or Solana or XRP or anything that you would want. So if I choose Bitcoin, I'm going to click confirm. And now from here, as you can see, we have the frequency button. So we're going to click on it, and this is going to tell us exactly how many times we're going to do the dollar cost average method. So we can do it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The best method is usually monthly because that is where the largest amount of change happens, and this is where it keeps stable. So we can say that every 5th of the month at exactly 9 a.m., it's going to invest 10 cents directly into Bitcoin. So this transaction is going to happen fully for Bitcoin. And so we're going to choose whatever spot wallet that you're going to use it. So either spot or earn. So after that, just create the plan. And once the plan is created, it's going to show you the summary of it. And so once you check everything's all right, click on confirm. And now you have a new plan scheduled. So every 5th of the month is going to invest the amount that you have decided right here. And this is the dollar cost average method for cryptocurrency right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.